Cool. Oh! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am not doing too much, but I'll show you everything what I'm up to just so you can see. So don't forget to thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and obviously happy Black Friday. I hope you get some good bargains out there. Don't forget to check the merch store out below actually, because that's something that's new on our channel. So yeah, I pretty much stepped on the sidelines for the moment with Brexit. So just wait for it to pan out, get some kind of clear direction. So I've turned Fusion off just due to the volatility. Some people are loving it. I'm very conservative, so I like to have it turned off. I'm in some indices positions long. I'm long on the Aussie index. I'm also long on FTSE. And also I have got a short-term stop loss trade on pound against the US dollar. So yeah, that's awesome. I hope you enjoy this series, guys. It's probably going to be a lot of me playing Call of Duty and just showing you how awesome I can beat Elliot and how bad Elliot is at Call of Duty. So for those that don't know, just before this I was literally like 3-0 to me and Elliot was really bad and I've been backpacking him the whole time.
Flip, reverse that, 3-0 to me.
Where's your proof?
Camera is slacking. It's alright, we'll show you. We'll show you what one.
And obviously, join
now.
Join. Everyone wants Black Friday deals, and if you're watching this, it's obviously a Saturday, so you still get to enjoy the Black Friday deals until Monday. So we look after our YouTube members because we love YouTubers. So yeah, everyone gets great deals on our exclusive YouTube members, like ridiculously good deals. So if you're a fan and you're after buying something, click the join now button because it'll save you an absolute fortune. See, look, Elliot won't let you find a game because he doesn't want to show you. He doesn't want to show me absolutely bastering you. Oh, Elliot, you just pulled the HDMI out as well. Like, he's trying to find all these excuses under the sun. Look, your foot touched the black wire and pulled it out.
It's still going to be honest.
So he's just trying to make every excuse under the sun. It's Jordan.
Introduce yourself.
Say something.
Hi, my name's Jordan. I'm a listing trader here at Karud.
Oh, this is sh**.
Communication is also has been interrupted. I'll do it a little. Where the f*** is my chocolate?
Oh, yeah, where is the chocolate?
Elliot.
Well, when you admit that you lost 3 times in a row to me, then the chocolate may reappear.
Is that a sign of sore loser or what? Is
what I've won.
So like, yeah, well, if you won,
I just don't want you to mislead the community.
If you won,
then thinking you're better than me at
if you won, you'd be gloating, wouldn't you? Hey,
well, I don't need to.
I
know.
He's such a sore loser. A sore loser.
Chocolate before you start playing COD. So. Take your guess, mate. Oh, it's not in there. It's not in there. Not in that one. It's not in that one. Definitely not in that one. So who eats gingerbread matchsticks? Everyone knows it's all about the original.
Wait, you bought an LV scarf?
I did.
How much was that?
260? Bovey, yeah.
How much was it?
260.
£260.
If I live in this scarf, so I'm going to live in this one. I'm going to go to the gym.
Did you see that? Look, Jordan. Oh mate, I ran in the building! I ran in the building and ran outside! But look at my screen, look! Look at my screen! Look at my screen, you literally can't. Oh!
You might as well just go for a barrage.
He's behind you.
He's coming upstairs. Oh, I got a kill, mate!
How? Oh, another one down, 14 for 5. That's what happens when he loses, look. It walks off and
it's not fair.
14 for 5. It just wasn't your game, mate. Don't worry. There you go.
The canvas maps. It suits you.
2.8 KD ratio, 14 to 5. Cool. Oh! Ooh, no children for me. So have a great weekend, guys. Don't forget to obviously thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Not too much has happened today on Friday. It's been more of a chilled environment in the offices. Like I said, we're all kind of stepping on the sidelines. Remember, sitting on the sidelines is actually a position in the market, not doing too much. whilst the volatility around Brexit and the kind of lack of confidence in Theresa May, it's just at this moment in time, it's just worth sitting on the sidelines and just waiting. So we are obviously doing our equities, and we've got our long-term positions on in play. We do have some small positions on the FX markets, but other than that, it's just sitting on the sidelines and waiting. I've got some good news. I have got a new car that will be coming soon, so get commenting below and have your guess on what it is. I say bye-bye to my lovely Bentley, and I'm up in the level to a new one. So guys, if you can guess what it is, I'll put some sort of price together for you in the comment section, and I'll put some sort of freebie out there, get some free merchandise or something like that. Guys, have an absolutely awesome weekend. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, click the join now button. There's so many perks going on in the members section at the moment, especially the Black Friday side of things. So have an awesome weekend. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next episode, guys. Take care.